Okay, so here we are, and we're getting buku snow right now. This is Eaton, so we're just north of Greeley, Colorado, and we're about 50, 60 miles east of the fires that we've been having up in the mountains. They're expecting up to 20 inches where the fires are. So hopefully this will put them out. As you can see, we're getting a pretty good dumping here. And if this continues, it's supposed to continue throughout the whole day and through tonight. So perhaps that will put these fires out that we've been experiencing. But this is great. It's going to be a great amount of moisture that we've really needed.